So guys, it's official. Pag-ibig just announced their dividend rate. So Pag-ibig regular savings nasa 6.62 for 2025. And then for MP2, guys, it's 7.12. So higher pa siya than last year. So ang bongga talaga. Guys, nakakatawa, diba 7.12? So yan yung expect natin na payout soon sa ating Pag-ibig account. Pag-ibig MP2 account, ha? So one thing that they highlighted, and I want to also highlight sa Chairman's Report 2025 of Pag-ibig, guys, total asset ng Pag-ibig is at 1.23 trillion. Guys, 1.23 trillion. This is their highest ever total asset. Net income naman nila for 2025 was at 65.28 billion. And the dividend payout ratio is at 98.60, which is their highest ever as well. Guys, tingnan mo rin ha, MP2 savings is up 31% compared to 2024, nasa 83.51 billion pesos. Imagine how many Filipinos trust Pag-ibig, especially MP2. On the flip side, also tingnan mo yung lahat ng mga cash loans approved last year, 3.7 million. Guys, cash loan approved yan last year, up 17% compared to 2024. And then guys, that's their highest ever as well. Don't forget na syempre yung Pag-ibig, hindi lang naman yan pang savings natin. If ever you do need housing loan, yung mga ganon, or multi-purpose loan, pwede rin sa Pag-ibig kasi their interest rate is also very reasonable. So guys, I have full videos on how to open your Pag-ibig MP2. And if ever you're not yet starting your Pag-ibig